we're just cutting across right now to this big breaking update that is coming to us right now. We are learning that lookout circular has been issued against Parambir Singh, also the DCP Parag Manere by the Thane police. Now, an extremely important development in the entire case, where remember their whereabouts were still not known. This is a development vis-a-vis the Thane police now that has issued this lookout circular against Parambir Singh, the ex-Mumbai top cop. There are serious charges against him. There are FIRs, remember, against him. And now we do know that a lookout circular also has been issued against the ex-Mumbai top cop, that is Parambir Singh. This is being done by the Thane police, and this is a story breaking just right now. Shravan with us for more details on this. Shravan, get us more details about this.
Well, an official confirmation now coming in from our sources within Thane police and also within Maharashtra police, confirming that a lookout circular has been issued against the former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh and also the DCP of the Economic Offences Wing, Parag Manere. Against both of them, we're now being told a lookout circular has already been issued by the Thane police. This comes after the Thane police had registered a case against Parambir Singh and 27 others, which included former encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma and also a few other serving Mumbai police officers like Rajkumar Kotmire, few of them against whom this case was registered following a complaint that was basically registered by businessman Sonu Jalan as well as Ketan Tanna. Based on that, a complaint has already been filed. Remember, this is a case against a former Mumbai Police Commissioner. Charges of extortion have been leveled against him, and not just that, also accusing him of colluding with gangster Ravi Pujari. These are some very serious charges that have been leveled against the former Mumbai Police Commissioner. But this is a significant development. The first being confirmed by Public TV that an LOC has been issued against the former Mumbai Police Commissioner. What does this essentially mean? This essentially means that this would prevent Parambir Singh from moving out of the country. If at all there has been any attempt that is basically being made by Parambir Singh to move out of India, then that attempt would be thwarted at the very places from which he would essentially try to exit. There have been certain reports essentially suggesting, however, there's been no official confirmation whether at all Mr. Parambir Singh has left India or not. These are only speculations that have been doing the round. But right now, an official confirmation that we have with us is that an LOC has been issued by the Thane police.
You know, Shravan, this is exactly what I wanted to ask you next, that what do we actually know about his whereabouts, and when was it that he was last seen in public, or perhaps, delegating his duty? The last that we had actually heard was also that he wanted some sick leave. He was away from work. Tell us more about the entire timeline.
Well, in fact, Deepthi, we'll try and avoid any sort of speculations because there have been a lot of speculative reports that have been doing the rounds here at Republic Media Network. We would only like to put out authentic reports that have been verified by our reporters on the ground. So this is what we know. On 4th of May is what we can last recall is when Parambir Singh had gone to his office in Mumbai. Remember, he has been appointed as the DG Home Guards by the Maharashtra government. But soon after, he was shunted from the Mumbai Police Commissioner to becoming the DG Home Guards. Thereafter, he hasn't been attending office, is what we have been told. Our sources have also indicated that there is a medical leave that he's essentially applied, suggesting that he would not be in a position to fulfill all his duties. And that is the reason why he is in Chandigarh due to certain medical concerns. And that leave was still about 9th of August, which is still today. We still do not have any official confirmation whether at all he has extended his medical leave.
Shravan, we are tracking that story very closely for the moment. Thank you.